file numbers 241968. Ms. Kaufman is here with Mr. Stickley, the Chief Public Defender. Autumn Kiefer is here. Mr. Stickley, here's what I understand. The defendant was here today for a probation review with her probation officer, Autumn Kiefer. Autumn smelled alcohol, gave the defendant a breath test. The result.
Let's take a moment. Here she showed up to court with a 0.87 blood alcohol level at 9:40 in the morning. It's not just a rough night. That means she was either still under the influence from the night before or started drinking early that morning. And yes, she drove herself to court.
Correct, at 9:40 a.m.
And she drove here. So it is a condition of the probation. I'll just read it the way it's in the order. It's an old order. She was sentenced to 93 days, credit 2, 91 days to serve, and I deferred a few. So she has 88 jail days hanging over her head. It is a condition of her probation that she take a test upon demand of any police or probation officer. Refusing a test, missing a test, or a positive test will cause an immediate 1-day jail term and whether potential probation violation consequence. So the defendant got arrested on May 26th, which resulted in this conviction, May 26th of 24. She was in a crash. Her blood alcohol was 0.294. She got arrested again on August 7th for drunk driving and file number 241471SD. Her blood alcohol at that time was 0.244. She was on bond.
Just think about that. What if someone like this was driving through your neighborhood? Now here's where things really take a turn. She was already out on bond for a DUI charge when she got arrested again for another DUI. And believe it or not,
when she got arrested on the second case. The prosecutor dismissed the second case. It was a freebie, and she was placed on probation on this case under the theory that she would be a great sobriety court candidate. However, she moved to Indiana, and we were unable to place her in our sobriety court program because she resides in Indiana. She was placed on the traditional probation. She got arrested for drunk driving again on June 19th in LaGrange County, Indiana, as an arraignment in LaGrange County, Indiana on June 30th.
that second case was dismissed. No consequences.
That's
not justice. That's a missed opportunity to protect the public. It's the kind of moment that leaves every responsible driver shaking their head in frustration. Did you catch?
So she is a danger to the public. I don't know what her blood alcohol was. She has a terrible alcohol substance abuse disorder, and she continues to drive. And this is dangerous. Plus, she's legally intoxicated right now, so I can't really even do anything. So I'm going to find a contempt and probation violation. And it's going to be taken into custody.
Catch what happened next? The judge had to delay the hearing because she was still too impaired to continue. That's not just concerning, it's dangerous. Court is supposed to be a place for accountability, not where behavior continues to unravel right in.
She's sober. Further, let's see what time we got tomorrow. Can't really do anything when the person's legally drunk to try to make a record or talk about things. We need to wait till you're sober. About 9 o'clock tomorrow. I'll give you an order. Violation of probation. I don't want to make sure she doesn't get out before tomorrow. I'll order 2 days jail, credit 0. 2 days to serve. Further Hearing 6/25/25 at 9 a.m. Miss Coffin, do you have pets?
I do.
What do you have?
I have 2 little Pomeranians.
You might want to find somebody to take care of your animals. All right, you're going to jail. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. when you're not at .08, and we'll talk further about this.
Your Honor, I'm sure there's protocols at the jail, but just to put everybody out of alert, I am concerned about the possibility of some withdrawal issues in the next 24 hours. So that can be noted or something to make sure that we keep an eye out for.
All right, we'll do that. Michelle's in agreement. Also, you're going to be referred for a new criminal investigation for driving to court while intoxicated. You also were a daily marijuana user. I don't know if you got marijuana in your system as well or not. But we can't keep going this way. You're going to kill somebody, or yourself, or both.
In front of everyone, then came one of the most honest and serious moments of the hearing. You're going to kill someone or yourself, or both. The judge wasn't being dramatic. It was a very real warning in a situation that's quickly...
Tomorrow. All right. Thank you, Mr. Stickler.
Sir, PD and contempt?
Yes. All right, that's a very sad situation. That's a circumstance where she probably never gets under the legal limit. All right, Mr. Stickley, we'll take another crack at this tomorrow after arraignments. 9 o'clock ought to be about when we're done with those.
I'm actually not here tomorrow, Your Honor, but I'll give some hands up.
Well, she should be here for the regular arraignments. We'll just ask her to stick around. All right. Thank you, Autumn. Every day has something new. Never know when it's going to happen.
She, I got some.
Oh, I was gonna say, because I asked her, "Do you have any friends?" She's like, "No, I don't have anybody like neighbor." No, I don't think so. I can't leave them there for 24 hours. So
All right. Thank you both.
thank you.
All right. As I said, every day it's something new.
becoming a crisis. The court is trying to help her, but is she even ready to accept that help? That final statement, sometimes something new is really something old, hits hard. It's a reminder of what judges, officers, and defenders see every day. The same people caught in the same cycle. Addiction, denial, relapse, it's not just sad, it's emotionally draining for everyone involved.